there's full disclosure of all information. That includes financial information from both sides and any other information the parties may request. Your experts are neutral. We don't get two experts for every issue to represent each side in an adversarial fashion. We get one expert, and one expert doesn't give the solution. The one neutral expert provides options for the parties dealing with the various issues that they confront. And finally, there's a good faith clause involved in this, and everyone must act in a civil fashion, and everything is confidential. So these are all the benefits, and we see them all listed in terms of this participation agreement. How does it actually work? Collaborative divorce is a series of meetings where the attorneys and the experts set the agenda beforehand, and the attorneys meet with their clients and discuss the potential options in dealing with each issue and what each side may present to the other at the meeting. So it's a series of meetings, agendas are planned, and we work through all the issues to resolution of all the issues during this series of meetings. At the conclusion, we write up a marital settlement agreement, it's presented to the court, and the case is resolved with all the benefits that we've talked about. If collaborative divorce is something that you're interested in, then you need to ask a couple of questions of the attorney or the experts that may be involved. Number one is, what collaborative organizations do you belong to on a national level and or on a local level? If they're participating actively in such organizations, then you know they have a commitment to collaborative divorce. The second question you want to ask is, how many cases have you done? Do you want the person who is interested in collaborative divorce learning on your case, or do you want the attorney or the expert who has been through a number of cases being able to bring to the table their experience and the creativity that comes from it? And then finally, what training have you gone through? And when you ask the training question, you have to ask, how many courses have you had, when have they occurred, and from what area of the country did the training come from? All important because there are training teams from around the area. Final question you ask is, what form of collaborative divorce do you practice? There are 4 basic models to follow, and if your attorney or the expert gives you a model that they follow, ask them to explain that to you in detail. Now, remember, you usually get divorced only once in your life, and if collaborative divorce is something you think would work for you, then make sure you sit down and consult with and or retain an experienced collaborative attorney who's also board certified in marital and family law.